Today, I'm putting the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 and the GPD WIN Mini 2025 head-to-head to see which portable gaming device reigns supreme. Let's find out. The gaming world is buzzing with innovation, and two devices are making waves. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18, a powerhouse of a laptop, and the GPD WIN Mini 2025, a compact handheld that's pushing the boundaries of portable gaming. Gamers face a tough choice when it comes to gaming on the go. Do you opt for a high-performance laptop that can handle the most demanding games, or a compact handheld that offers the freedom to play anywhere, anytime? This dilemma is at the heart of our comparison today. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 promises top-tier performance with its advanced cooling system and powerful processor, making it a beast for hardcore gamers. On the other hand, the GPD WIN Mini 2025 is designed for those who want to take their gaming experience on the road without compromise. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 boasts an impressive 18-inch display, a high refresh rate screen, and advanced graphics capabilities that make it a dream for gamers who crave detail and smoothness. Its performance is unmatched, thanks to its cutting-edge processor and ample RAM, ensuring that even the most resource-intensive games run seamlessly. The GPD WIN Mini 2025, though smaller, packs a punch with its efficient processor and surprisingly robust graphics performance. Its compact size and lightweight design make it an attractive option for gamers who prioritize portability. When it comes to battery life, the GPD WIN Mini 2025 is designed to last, offering hours of gameplay on a single charge. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18, while powerful, may require more frequent recharges, especially during intense gaming sessions. User experience also varies between the two. The Scar 18 offers a full keyboard and larger screen real estate, enhancing productivity and gaming comfort. The WIN Mini 2025, however, shines with its built-in controls and compact form, providing a unique gaming experience that's hard to match. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 has a few tricks up its sleeve, including customizable RGB lighting, a wide range of connectivity options, and support for the latest gaming peripherals. The GPD WIN Mini 2025 stands out with its innovative design, offering a versatile device that can transform from a handheld to a mini PC, catering to a different kind of gamer. In comparing these two titans, it's clear that each serves a distinct audience. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 is perfect for those who crave raw power and a traditional laptop experience, while the GPD WIN Mini 2025 is ideal for gamers on the move who don't want to sacrifice performance for portability. So, which portable gaming device comes out on top? It ultimately depends on what you value most. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 for its unparalleled performance and expansive screen, or the GPD WIN Mini 2025 for its innovative design and portability. If you have any thoughts on these incredible devices, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the latest gaming tech for more insights and comparisons.